So, as we said, guiding principles represent core values. These principles can guide decision making throughout the planning and implementation of the project. It can really get it through some tough spots when you have to decide whether to go one way, for instance, to build a big box retail versus a small main street retail. The guiding principles will help you in that decision making process. They keep projects on track, like this lighthouse in the fog. They consolidate the values of everybody involved. Here's a few guiding principles that were taken from an actual project for a Quaker Friends Center campus renovation project. Let's go down the second and third ones. I like these. Spaces will be healthy with natural light and clean, fresh air. The campus will blend work and worship, fostering interaction between groups. The campus will facilitate the work of its tenants. Now, I want you to notice that these are all about the whys behind the project. When you ask why enough times, you will eventually get to the core values. So guiding principles represent the whys, and also one other tip with guiding principles, oftentimes they have an active verb, such as they will promote, they will facilitate, they will guide, they will benefit. These are words to look for in example guiding principles. Here's the master matrix that will take us to the next several exercises. It's organized according to category. So in the left-hand column, you see the categories of work appropriate to the project. Land use, urban design, transportation, economics, housing, public health. You need to look at these categories, verify them, add your own for your own exercise. Then we have the guiding principles, and following to the objective, then the measures, charrette products, and the charrette team. So right now we're going to focus on the guiding principles. In the exercise you'll be doing soon, you'll be filling out these columns. But let's look at these examples. Under the first one, under land use, the guiding principle is guide placemaking development that attracts creative businesses and its workforce. Let's go down to housing. Provide housing opportunities for all economic ranges. So what you're seeing here is what we call the why you're doing the project. It doesn't go into the quantifiable objective. The objective for housing is to provide affordable housing, and the measure is housing prices. You're going to do a housing plan and have an architect economist to do that. Right now we're just going to have people focus on why are we doing this. This is the highest level of the decision pyramid that guides everything else. You'll also see an indicator of a guiding principle is often that there's an active verb in there, like attracts or provides or promotes, that type of thing. But more importantly, it answers the question why you are doing the project. It is common in this exercise for people to automatically go to the objective, like for instance, to provide the project should have a mixed-use community that's walkable. Well, that really is a quantifiable objective. What we do is then ask, well, why do you want to do that? Why do you want to have a mixed-use community? And the whys might come out of choices of housing, easy way for people to get around, a diverse community. Those are the whys. So this matrix will provide the format for the upcoming exercises.